All right, Massasoit Rd. This is the first floor. Living room, dining room area. And this is the entrance. To common areas. Here's one of the bedrooms. With a very large walk-in closet. And here is the kitchen area. With LED lights under the counter. And new stainless appliances. Lots of cabinet room, countertop space in this apartment. New faucet. This is sort of a extra storage mudroom area, and here's the laundry room. So this is a separate laundry room with washer dryer inside the apartment. And the bathroom is a very large double sink vanity with quartz top. And probably about a 6-foot mirror, and glazed bathtub. And here's the other bedroom. And this bedroom also has a large extra room, which is a very large built-in closet area. And this is heated. So this apartment has brand new high efficiency, 96% forced hot water and gas heating system with the new baseboard heaters. Old steam radiators were removed. We've got hardwired smoke and heat detectors throughout the building. And this is a very large, beautiful 2-bedroom apartment in a Victorian home on a double lot.